What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Today I'm going to take you to this home right here in New Jersey. And this is in Monroe. Particularly, the customer wanted me to share that we are in Middlesex County. So you guys know that we're on a journey to deliver excellence and put a theater into every home around America. And today I'm out here highlighting this project, but the customer was just so nice and really complimenting us a lot. So I wanted to give a testimonial, because he was open to it, of his experience with working with Dreamedia. So I hope that you guys enjoy this testimonial. If you would like to purchase anything, give us a ring. We pride ourselves on 5-star service. All right, let's go in here and check it out.
You know, the overall experience was excellent. The YouTube videos was awesome. I originally started following you guys, seeing what you guys were able to do, and the stuff you guys done was extremely amazing. I definitely wanted to have that in my home. The self-help videos were fantastic. Zach and his team was always professional, was always help. Every time I called, he reached out, went over some of the specs. A lot of things were intuitive. The parts that were difficult, Zach spoke, went through it with me. It was fantastic. And overall, everyone that comes down here, and we have family functions, friends and family functions, everyone always just amazes with the technology that's down here. And that's all thanks to Zach and his team.
Oh man, it really warms my heart to hear all those kind words coming from the customer. I mean, without you guys, we wouldn't be in the position we are. It's really an amazing movement. You know, this business has been my pride and joy, and really a dream of mine that just continues to evolve, and I can't do it without awesome customers just like the guy that you just heard. I really appreciate all of the opportunity to earn y'all's business. It really means the world to me, and we're going to keep on keeping on with providing all of the industry leading top manufacturers with the lowest prices guaranteed and nationwide free shipping, as well as our free design service. And then to top it off, we're bringing in all of the local pros in all the major cities to help you guys out with performing the installation if you are not DIYing it. So we really are working on scaling a huge business that is covering all your bases, something that no other company is doing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.